Hey everyone, Cassie at Cassie's Pasta-bilities with my partner Kate, and today we'll be making Bowtie pasta, also known as farfalle, which means butterfly in Italian. If you haven't already checked out our how to make fresh pasta dough video, be sure to check that out first. I'll have it in the link down below. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, we're going to start rolling our dough. Kate's going to help me with this. Keep going. We're starting off on the widest setting, which is 1. We're going to get lightly flour. We don't want it to have too much flour. We do a little envelope fold. Go ahead, Kate. Go fold it over one more time. Go ahead. Now we're going to move to 2. Go ahead. Go through. Now we're going to go to 3. Go ahead. Now we're just going to go through once we got more of a rectangle shape, and then 4. If it's a little sticky, you can add a light bit of flour, but not too much. We don't want it to be too dry. Let's go to 5. Keep going. Lightly flour it back, and for this one, we're going to go to 6 as our thinnest. All right, go ahead, last one. Go. Now we're going to use more of a crinkled edge for the edges of the Bowtie pasta, so I'm going to cut it off right here. And we're going to do about 1 inch or 1.5 inches long. So I'm going to cut right here, go down, and then I'm going to use the straight one to do cross, and then I'm going to go straight again, and then straight again. And so we have our little pieces like this. Now Kate is going to help me, and we're going to show you how to do it. So we're going to take our pasta here. I'm going to put it between my 2 pointer fingers right here in the middle. And I'm basically going to press my pointer fingers together from down below. And with my 2 thumbs, I'm going to press on the outside. So as you can see, I'm just going to pinch it. So when I pinch like that, I'm going to turn it over, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Cade's got his. Now we're going to just keep going. Cade, you can start doing that. And then we'll just go crinkle, and then straight. And then straight, and then straight. Now you can do this any size you want. You can make small, you can make large, but it's going to be the same concept of how to press them together. As you can see. Now after you've done enough of them, you can either toss them with a little semolina and dry them a bit, or you can just cook them fresh like this. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video where we'll be making another shape. Thanks.
Bye. Can I go play?
Yeah, you can go play.
Alright, can you make the rest of these?
Yeah, you don't have to stay.
Yes, I get like 2 lunches.